Today lesson po ay ang mga possible na pwedeng gamitin sa mga time particles. Kagaya ng ito yung in at on. Mada as every, tungan as for ng duration. Te, pwede pong on or during. Chung ay while, upon, or in the middle of. Chone ang before. Huwe ang after. Yung chung o chongdo ang sinasabing about or around. Mga gagamitin nating mga noun, achim ay morning, Korea is Hanguk, meal ang siksa, coffee rin, Iluwil ang Sunday. Okay, ang ating sentence po sa for example, chonun at chime, ayun, coffee. Lagyan natin ng rule kasi siya ay object. Masyoyo. Sa Korean grammar ay in the morning coffee drink. So, pag inayos po natin, I drink coffee in the morning. Next, gamitin natin yung mada as every. Chonun ilwil mada kyue kayo. Ang verb natin is go, kada, go. Conjugated form ng kada is kayo. So, I go to church every Sunday. Baliktad. I Sunday every. Meron tayong church. Ito yung to natin, yung Next sentence po natin ay ang tungan sa duration ng for ng duration. Chunun 한국에서 5년 동안 일했어요. Work. So, I work in Korea for 5 years. Ayun po yung tungan. Next, ang ating te ay on or during. 이번 휴가 때 뭐 할 거예요? Ang verb po nating hada is to do. Conjugation natin use will, kaya will do. What will you do? Ito yung during vacation. This vacation. Next, chung ay while, upon, in the middle of. Siksa is meal, siksa jung televisionul payo. I watch TV while meal, o habang kumakain daw nanonood ng TV. Next, ang jone is before. Siksa uli, meal, siksa jone, sonul sisuseyo. Seyo po, o seyo ay please. Ang shit is to wash, kaya please wash your hand before meal. Paghugas po ng kamay bago kumain. Next, huwe is the after. Siksa huwe, after daw ng meal. Solgoji rulheyo. Was po ng dish ang solgoji. Pagkatapos kumain, nagugas ng plato. And the last, chum o jongdo, pwedeng about or around, ina-approximate po, walang exact. Pehengi is airplane, pehengi nun, topic siya. Ilgup si chum, ayun po, pumasok yung around. Tuchak halgoy, ano ba ang tuchak hada? To arrive, kaya elgoy is will arrive. So, ang aeroplano, the airplane, o the plane will arrive around 7 o'clock. Ito po yung sinasabi natin, around. Ayan po. Okay, ulitin natin ang mga possible time particles mada, tungan, te, chung, chone, huwe, and chongdo. Ayan po yung ating mga sample sentence. Okay po, 감사합니다.